Allowing or denying contacts permission on the Galaxy S24 lets you control which apps can access your contacts for privacy and security. Here's how you do it. Start by tapping on the home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel and tap the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select apps. Once you're in the apps section, tap the more button or the three dots in the upper right corner, and from the pop-up, choose Permission Manager. On the Permission Manager page, scroll down and select Contacts. Here, you'll see a list of apps grouped under sections like Allowed and Not Allowed. To allow an app access to your contacts, find it under the Not Allowed section. Tap on the app, select Allow, and then tap the back button to save the change. If you want to deny contact access, find the app under the Allowed section, tap on it, and choose Don't Allow. This will prevent the app from accessing your contacts. And that's it. You now know how to manage contact permissions on your Galaxy S24. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.